It's about to go down. Can I zip you?
Oh shit.
Heartbreaks and cries in the morning, headed down the road today. This is how it feels, this is how it feels. This is how it feels, this is how it feels. This is how it feels, this is how it feels. This is how it feels to be poor in America.
Welcome. You joined Fox Green and I in a team-up video taken from my third Milsim, Dawn of Resilience Part 2. Fox Green and I are both HVTs. Our mercenary headquarters is being overrun by both UN and faction squads. Now those squads have their own agenda, however if they spot us they will want to capture us. We are the big prize. There are huge bounties put on our heads. Our plan is to make a quick escape and fight our way out of there using guerrilla tactics, and when it's all clear, we will get to a nearby clearing and launch some drone attacks. This is a team up video with Fox Green, and he has his version of the day's events on his channel, so be sure to check it out as soon as you've watched this. Let's see how we get on. Fox Green has brought along his highly upgraded Tokyo Marui 417. Although it's highly accurate, it is pretty loud. So we rely on the stealthiness of my nano kit by Tredos Designs to help pave the way for our escape, hopefully without alerting too many squad members. There are roughly 105 people on site, so that's a lot of enemies to come after us. So we use our best guerrilla tactics just to disrupt them and hopefully punch a hole where we can escape. Can we go around behind? We're good, but we'll be right open. There's 2 UN members just here. That's the last player in the vicinity, so it's time to launch the drone.
Very careful I don't lose my payloads in flying. David, if you see someone coming, just drop them for me.
There you go.
Whilst Fox Green sets up the drone, I decide to hold back just in case anybody tries to capture him.
Dave, enemies coming.
Some of these squad members react to the drone and take cover. Nobody wants hit with this 20-meter bomb radius. However, one player decides to push on up, and Fox Green decides to use the drone like a security camera.
You dead?
Yeah, I'll take that.
After taking out that player, Fox Green decides to release one of the bombs. This is a 20-meter kill radius, but he decides to shoot them anyway just to be safe. I wasn't aware where the rest of the squad was, but I know they're coming now. Bring the bombs over to the UN?
Yeah, triple with you.
Okay. After receiving some intel from Game Master Stu, Fox Green and I are to relocate at a nearby forest and defend a box along with a key and prevent the local militia from taking it back to their headquarters. Because we are heavily outnumbered, we have been given a 3-minute bleed out time, and if they don't capture us within the 3 minutes, we get to revive back into the game. We can't hide the box, but we can hide ourselves. Fox Green takes up point, and I set up a defensive position once again. Both the UN and the faction are going to converge in this position. I have to lay low and choose my battles wisely. It's not long before the faction pick up the box. This means they only need to capture me and Fox Green to complete the mission. I don't want to lead the attack, as that will draw all the squads towards me. But luckily, Fox Green goes to work. Now I know Fox Green is attacking them from one side, it leaves me open to defend the box.
Hit! Oh yeah. Good mangas. Maybe roll it out of the dark.
Our dual attack seems to have worked, and the enemy are confused. Time to move slow and choose our shots wisely.
Medic! No, you got a blowback, lad? Yeah.
The medic did a great job here. I barely detected him, and when I did, I couldn't get a shot on him.
Good shot! Shot! Good shot! Yeah, bruh.
Luckily for me, no one knew where I was other than the two dead players, who honourably didn't give away my position. The new squad member comes down and revives the player and takes the box back to the fob. The player who got revived back in, I assume, was going to come over, revive his teammate, then come and capture me. But luckily for me, I escaped once again.
Come on! Come on! Hit!
This faction get ambushed by UN forces, preventing me from getting captured and running down the clock to revive.
Dead. I didn't even see you still sitting there.
That's me back in, so I gotta tell these players to stop conversing with me in case it gives me away.
We basically respawn after 3 minutes if no one's got to me, so I'm now live.
Okay. Well, man.
It's been around 20 minutes since the start of this mission, and Game Master Stu is wondering why we haven't been captured. I don't want to risk running across this forest, so I decide just to move around 8 meters to my right. This should disrupt the enemy enough to allow me to get the drop on them. But I couldn't believe what was about to happen. The forest is now full of squads in both teams. I gotta pick my shots wisely.
Hit! Good kill!
And the worst thing happens. The same squad that got me first time has came back.
That's where the box was, yeah. Huh? Yeah. Guys, what's your move here? Dead? Oh, alright. Yo. Pushing here, lad. Oh, he's dead. Yeah, I'm down here from where we picked up the bus. We think they're up there because there's a swimming pool up in that over the house there. He has to be up there. Good.
Good shot. It is.
We do it all the time.
Yep.
You're f***ing joking.
Yep.
He's looking at you.
Yep.
Does he have intel?
I do have intel. Way. Hey, is that my mate?
Were you there when I picked the box up?
Yep.
You were there the whole... Can't believe that.
I got. Here,
No,
here. He can respawn in 3 minutes.
That's what she said.
Well, you can
I'll stay here for 3 minutes.
Could you hold that for me?
Fuck off.
There it is, buddy.
Shoot him and screw him.
Right, your weapons have been decommissioned. Fuck off.
Please tell me you didn't drop that.
I don't know. That's why I want to check.
Did you fucking drop that? No. Hang on. Why'd you give me the village idiot to deal with?
I got it.
Right.
Got it. Keep eye on this sneaky bastard.
Decommission, look.
Look, his HPA is
Pipes
decommissioned,
out.
lad. That's
Pipes
fair
out.
enough.
Hey, stop him. Can I shoot you again before you leave so you don't shoot me in the back?
No, he can't. That was the agreement.
Oh, fair. Hey, let's fucking movie. Let's move quick.
But you can't capture him, I think.
Can we capture you? Let's just capture him.
Can we capture you?
Come on.
You ain't answering.
Come on. Take him. Grab him. Grab him.
Let's go.
Ik niet spreken ze Afrikaans.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Come on, you bliksem.
Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go.
Afuera, kitty. Afuera, kitty.
Afuera. We got the praise, the crown jewel of the whole piece. Oh sh! Oh, you got a pistol? Can I have it?
Well, you can tell him it's decommissioned.
If I can whip that pistol out as fast as you four can shoot me, I deserve to get.
I'll just stab him with a knife. That's
Let's
it.
go.
I'm
Start shooting. Close that up, boy. Where's the knife?
Don't have
You
one.
ain't so slow, lad. Yeah, right, let's go. Come on, big man.
Need a time machine.
Nah, f you shoot.
Need
Let's
a
go.
time machine.
Let's go. You shoot. You shoot.
Where's my f***ing phone call?
Your phone call. You get it.
You'll get it when you get there. Come on, come on. You can't get a phone call from car.
Oh boy.
Hey, Bruxum.
Seal. We got Staunton.
Staunton's here.
Get the intel. Ask him for the We've got the.
Yeah, we got the intel.
Their dude has it.
Who wants in? Are you getting in?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Come on in.
I'm not taking the gun off you.
Come on in. I'm not getting treated fairly here.
There's not a war. Your complaint. So, would you like the helpline to ring?
No, not yet. He has to get back first.
Mom.
I'll give you my
Mom.
telephone number. 1-800. Who gives a Be careful with him now, lads.
No bother.
Oh, can you hear me?
Curls up like a little feast that's in the corner.
I've got someone.
Pistols on him, yeah? Pistols on him, guys. Don't trust him.
I've been captured.
Yeah. You know what he's going to try and do now?
Hand on your head, Dan.
He's going to try and pull a grenade.
The butcher grenade.
So he's going to try and pull a grenade now.
Right. Stu.
Can I
Stu.
zip
Yeah. It's about to go down.
Can I zip you?
Oh shit.
This is how it feels to be poor in America.
Where's that guy?
I don't. I've only got two. I've only got two.
Yeah, you see?
Here.
No.
You take that one.
I'll cut him out that.
His hands,
Oh,
guys.
Jake.
He's going to go for a grenade.
It's magic hands.
You can take the grenades off me if you want.
Yeah, we will.
Here.
No.
No.
It's very sore when you get shot in the hands, David.
Be careful, Hugh.
Very sore.
What's your knees?
Oh, slowly.
He's enjoying it.
I don't pull the pin.
Ooh, that is a big